hiccups. You got hiccups? You got hiccups? That's weird. Zozo never had hiccups, I think. Your head feels warm, baby. Okay. Such a cutie.